Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am Shaikhain. Succession planning is a strategy for passing on leadership roles with replacement plannings in organizations. It is used to identify and develop the potential leader in planned manner who can move into leadership roles to ensure that the business continues to run smoothly. Ideally, the focus should be to build to last, not to last. So, it is not merely the succession planning, but development of great successors for your business. The absence of a clear succession plan may pose a risk to the business, including the employees may compete for the position and engage in power struggles to take that vacant slot. And such power struggles can cause volatile working environment, not good sign at all. Where CEO or other leadership positions suddenly become vacant, the need to quickly fill that position may lead to choose the wrong candidate. Whether hired from outside the company or promoted within can be a costly mistake. Besides, when a top employee leaves the company, they take away with them the wealth of knowledge they have acquired while working there. Without a clear succession plan, it can be easy to overlook the candidate internally who may be interested in the leadership roles. These candidates are often a great investment as they are already in the company and understand the businesses, its clients and its values and lot more. The real challenge in succession management is creating a match between organization's future needs and employees' aspirations through leadership development, tracking progress and creating development opportunities. One more thing is important. Not all the roles are relevant as far as succession planning is concerned. It should focus on roles those are vital for the organization's competitiveness and continuity. Like a junior sales rep may easily be replaced. However, your VP, your GM sales is a role you don't want to be vacant for a long time. The best working in this scenario shall be have a long-term perspective. Secondly, ensure structural developments. Integrate succession planning with talent management, selection and recruitment, and the other processes of the HR like performance appraisals. Then you measure outcomes like the number of critical positions, those are filled with an internal promotion versus an external hire, and the percentage of promotions that come from the high potential pools and like that. It is also usual that the visionary companies develop their leaders from within the organizations rather than hiring from outside. This ensures an understanding and agreement with the core values of the organization and ideologies that is not guaranteed when hiring from the outside. Now let us talk about the 5 common mistakes must be avoided in succession planning. Number 1, when you play favorites. Number 2, when you don't have an objective process for selecting successors. Third one, when you don't address disappointments. When you turn the process into competition. And last one, but not the least, when you keep your selection process a secret. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, build to last, not to last. Right from vision to success. Thank you.